Hi, I'm Steve Reeck, Brooks Tractor, down here in Sun Prairie today. We're going to go through a couple tips here on chaining excavators down, the mini excavator. You want to have enough chains to do it. To secure the bucket, find a place to go right over the top of the boom. Then on the John Deere 26, we got tie down holds. Easiest way to do things is to get your chains all out before you do it. Take one hook, hook around here. Then you got to tie down right up front. Pull that tight. Put your binder, pull it nice and snug. Take your chain from over your bucket. The DOT likes this, so when you're going down the road and something accidentally happened, your boom would not swing out into the lane of traffic. So find a secure place to put that chain. Now we got a back chain here. Each trailer has different tie downs. This one will work. On the John Deere 26P, they got tie downs on your frame over here. They got all these stickers here for the frame, and they made these bigger for the bigger chains. One thing about chaining down, you want to pull your load towards the back and your front towards the front. That keeps your movement from forward, reverse, in case you hit a back. Had to stop quick. So on this particular unit right now, I got 4 chains. If you have a long enough chain, you can do this method of chaining down. The one thing when you chain down like this, make sure the slack is out of this one. Go around to the other side and make sure that one's tight. After you're all chained down, before you get in the truck to leave, put your ramps up. Secure your ramps. One on each side. And always before you take off with your load, you go around, you check the tightness of all your chains all the time.